How can we create a fully optimized WordPress website by using Thrive Theme Builder? Let's get into it now. Hi everyone, this is Irfan here and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you that how you can create a fully optimized WordPress website by using a very simple plugin called Thrive Theme Builder. So if you remember for the last couple of days, I keep reviewing Thrive Themes plugins which are for WordPress, and they are super cool if you really want to create a WordPress website and if you want to create an optimized website. This plugin is gonna work out for you because there are tons of plugins that Thrive Themes provide you with, and I'm gonna show you one more time because I have more than 4 videos just related to Thrive Themes. I review different plugins like Thrive Leads, Thrive Apprentice, Thrive Architect, and Thrive Quiz Builder, and you can check them out. I put a card exactly above this video so you can check it out and watch it again to see how you can actually use each plugin. So I'm going to create more videos later, but right now I decided to go for Thrive Theme Builder, which is one of the coolest options among all of these plugins because it allows you to create your website actually, like the header, the footer, the sidebar, the widgets, everything is included inside Thrive Theme Builder. So keep in mind that if you want to use Thrive Theme Builder, you need to have Thrive Architect as well in order to integrate them with each other, so it'll be done automatically. But if you really want to use all the features, you really need to have Thrive Architect and Thrive Theme Builder at the same time. Otherwise, if you just want to go for the light version, you will be so limited. So I'm going to do that for you right now, but I just want to show you one more time that what you will get out of Thrive Themes. So the link is down below in the description. Feel free to check it out yourself in our product section. So here we have Thrive Theme Builder. In this section we have Thrive Architect. We have Thrive Quiz Builder here that I have a separate video for that. If you want to create a high converting quiz page by using Thrive Quiz Builder, you should go for this one. Thrive Leads for opt-in forms, Thrive Membership for a membership website, Thrive Ovation for testimonials, for this it displays testimonials for social proof. Actually, it picks up the good ones and it just displays it to the other people. And Thrive Comments, Thrive Optimize, Thrive Ultimatum for a countdown. It's a countdown timer, and Thrive Apprentice for online courses. So in this video, we are going to focus on this one and this one. So after downloading Thrive Themes, the link is down below in the description. You will able to see Thrive dashboard right here. So you have all of the plugins right here. So if you want to go for just Thrive Theme Builder, guys, I think it's going to cost you $127. But the the affordable option would be that you go for the membership part, the membership plan, because it allows you to use all the plugins at the same time, so you don't have to buy them individually, and it's $19 per month. But if you want to buy them individually, it's going to cost a lot of money, I am telling you. So if you become a Thrive member, it's going to cost you $19 a month, and you will be able to get access to all the plugins on more than 25 websites. Yes, but if you just want to go for Thrive Theme Builder, it's $97 alone, which is a lot. And imagine if you want to buy Thrive Architect as well, another $67 will be added to this one. It's almost $200. But for the monthly one, it's going to give you all the access to all of the plugins at the same time, and you will see this dashboard right here. So I already have all of them. I click on Thrive dashboard here, and I have Thrive Apprentice, I have Clever Widgets, Comments, Thrive Headline Optimizer, and all of them here. But we are gonna go for Thrive Theme right here. So after downloading it, after installing it, you will be able to see that. So Thrive option. So it's very cool, guys. They have it's another world once you click on Thrive Theme Builder, because it makes everything so much easier for you. So right now, as you can see here, they have a wizard setup, which is which is a step-by-step process that you go through in order to create a fully optimized WordPress website. And here how you can do it. So you can actually click on this to learn more. They have some tutorials, or you can do it yourself. So there are 8 simple steps on the left side that you just get started with. Step number 1. Step number 1 is choosing your logo. I already chosen it. You click on this one, and then you can simply choose your logo, whatever picture you want, and then you go to the second step. Very easy, very powerful, and it's super simple. So after choosing it, just click on choose, go to the next level, which is the second step, brand color. So this is gonna be your website color actually, but keep in mind that you can always change it after that, so it's not finalized. You can just go for it after that. If you really need to change your color, your website color, you can do that here. So I kept it on blue because I like it, and you can just go for whatever you want. So like green is just a customizable color that you can go for. But after that, so it means that your website color is going to be blue, your header, your widgets, and the rest of the things, the footer. And then once you're done with this, click on header. This is where you need to actually be a little bit more precise on it, because if somebody visits your website, this is the first thing they're gonna see. So we have the logo on the left side, and we have our menu on the right side. So there are tons of menus just for the header section that I'm going to show you right now. And if you don't like this template for the header, you simply click on this box here, and it gives you tons of other templates that you can use for header. So we have 001, which is like this. So we have actually, by clicking on this, you will see tons of more options for the header section. We have logo, menu, call to action, like this. So it depends, how many blog posts or how many pages you have on your website, and based on that, you can decide which one is going to be best for you. So I personally like this design, which is very simple, like the one that I've chosen. It's very simple, it's not distracting or anything, but you can go for whatever you want. There are tons of varieties here, but like even this one, it's gonna actually show your logo on the top, and then the menus on below the logo. But this is how you choose your header, very simple. So for the footer, this is another cool option, because guys, if you really want to change the header and footer of your website manually without Theme Builder, it's gonna take a long time. I've experienced that, and believe it or not, it's easy, but it took me a long time. But that's why I'm saying it makes everything so much easier for you. So even for the footer, as you can see, we have navigation number 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, we have different templates for that. Click on this box here, and after that, you're gonna see tons of options just for the footer. So, but the thing is that if you want to go for this one, you should be, kind of a big website that has so much authority, so much pages, and then you can go for this template. I personally don't have a lot of content on my website. That's why I decided to just keep it simple. That's why I actually chose this one, menu 01, because I only have 3 to 4 pages that I just want my visitors to see. And after that, if I want to actually add more pages or posts, I can change it to whatever I want. So this is what I've chosen. And after that, you can actually edit them. So don't worry about these text here. So we can edit them later. Right now, we are working on the templates for our website, so the design can be done later. So click on home page to actually edit your home page. This is what my home page is, my sales page, the front end. And here you can actually choose which landing page that you've already designed should be your home page. I already chosen this. You can actually, if you don't have any page, you can add pages, and after that, here in this section, you can set it as your home page. I already chosen it, and also here I can edit it with Thrive Architect, because the whole website is actually built on Thrive Architect, one of the themes, and you can edit it simply by going to this section. and the homepage, existing page, is going to be like this, and here the homepage will be done. So after you choose this, go to single blog post. So single blog post, whatever contents you write, the whole template is going to look like this. So I only have one, I currently have only one post. That's why it's showing this post right here. And it's a very clean and organized content, and it has a very clean structure that I personally like. I have a review about 5 themes here. I have a couple of videos here. All of them are kind of optimized the way I like. And here you can actually do a lot of things. So for example, you can actually again, we are not editing anything right now here. We are just choosing templates for each page, like for our post, for homepage, for header, footer, this kind of stuff. You can change anything, anything you want. So for single blog post, again, we have different templates here. So we have like box posts with sidebar. All of them have a picture on top that you can go for. You can also edit it yourself later. You can delete the stuff. I deleted a lot of things that I didn't use at all. That's why it wasn't really practical for me, but it depends which design is your favorite, and you can simply go for it. But I chosen this one because I like it, because it has a very clean sidebar, the widget. I have my text here, I have a picture here, which is the background image, but I didn't choose any image. I just choose a color because, you know, if I want to go for an image, it's gonna apply the same image on every single post, which is probably not related to what I chosen right now. Does it make sense? That's why I just chose a color here for every single post, and I'm good with that. So I can, because my website's theme color is blue, that's why I chosen blue. After that, I can change it to whatever I want. So this is single blog post. So we have blog posts list. So if you're a blogger, if you have a lot of blogs that you actually want to have a list for, this is gonna be so useful for you. So because I don't have a blog post list personally, because as I said, this is a kind of a new website for blogging, and I only have one post currently. But if we have a lot of posts, this would be a really great structure for your audience to actually see all your blog posts in one page, and you can change pretty much everything here. On the right side, we have the widgets that you can easily change it. We have an opt-in form here, social shares. And if you don't like it, simply go to this section, and we have way more options for blog post list. And as I said, because I don't have a lot of posts right now, I'm totally okay with that, and I just gonna go for the one that I've chosen here. So after blog post list, we have page, which is for every single page. That's like for privacy policy. The structure is going to be like this. Just keep it simple, guys. There's nothing crazy about it. And the thing is that I personally like this for the pages. So click on this one. You will see again there are tons of other options for the page. Here is so cool. You can also add a video here, call to action, and then the content is going to be here. And also at the end there is actually another opt-in form that your customer can just opt in and give you their email. So again, you can go for whatever you want. After you're done with everything, you're actually good to go. But before that, I'm going to go over branding right here on the left side, because this is kind of for, I think it's for website color. Again, as I said, you can change it. Like for theme color, I already chosen blue. Logo, I already chosen it. Even for the footer, if you scroll down, you will see that my brand also pops up here. So, but if you have a dark background for your footer, you can easily change this light version to this one, and then it pops up here. And also another cool thing which is made so much easier is Favicon. Favicon is it's that small icon that actually appears on your tab exactly beside the website name. So as you can see here, if I scroll it up, as you can see here, right here, for 5 themes, my logo appeared here. This is called Favicon, and you can actually, it should be a very small image. It shouldn't be text. It shouldn't be actually a text. It should be an image, very clear and also very small. If you click on that, you can actually choose it here. But the dimensions, I think it's 120 by 120, something like this. You can try it out. So for typography, this is what your contents are going to look like. So for heading, we have different fonts. We can have different fonts for second heading, third one, and the fourth one, and so on. You can edit it by going to this section, and you can change the fonts, but I'm not going to do that at all because these fonts are great for blogs, and I don't want to distract my visitors. This is very cool, guys, very simple, very cool, and I'm not going to change anything. But the only thing I want to change is the color, because it's already gray. I don't want it. I want to change it to black because again, I want it very clear and also very transparent. So I'm going to go change everything to black, and here I'm going to change it to black again, and again this one to black. Gray is not very good for text, and I'm done with it. And then after that, click on Save Work, and I'm done. So this is what typography means. We have templates here. So templates is actually, it's a predefined template. It's what you've already designed. This is what it is. So if you remember, for Site Wizard, we actually edited the blog post, single blog post, a single page, header, footer, the home page. Everything is actually designed on our website, and this is where we can see that. So we can actually edit it the way we want if we made a mistake or something like this. And even for error 404, they have a template, which is so cool. And that's it. For site speed, they have different options. So because site speed is something that is super complicated, and not everybody is covering that, guys, for different plugins. They made it so much easier in order to increase your website speed. And the way they do that is by providing you with 3 different plugins that you can actually install on your WordPress website and use it. So for minification and caching, we have these 2 plugins here, which is the WordPress Fastest Cache and Total Cache. So these are the plugins which are recommended by the vendor, by the owner of Thrive Themes, and they are so cool. I used to use W3 Total Cache. It's for clearing out your website cache in order to speed it up. But you're not limited to these 2 plugins. You can just download your own. These are what are recommended by Thrive Themes, and you can simply install it and then integrate it with your Thrive Theme Builder, and it can do the rest for you. Image optimization, super important, guys, and Optimal is recommended by Thrive Themes. Again, there are tons of more other actually plugins that you can go for image optimization, like Imagify, Short Pixels, or you can also do that yourself by going to different websites. But this is what is recommended by Thrive Themes, and this is premium. If you want to go, if your website hits more than 5,000 visitors per month, it's going to be paid. But if you want to go for free version, Smosh is going to be the next option. So these are good, guys. But as I said, you're not limited to these plugins only. So AMP is for mobile, it's accelerated mobile pages, but it's going to be a little bit risky, guys. Just use it as you on your own risk, because it might actually screw up your website if you make any mistakes. So just use it on your own risk. I'm not going to recommend that. But these 2 are so cool, guys. Optimal, and for minification and caching, you can go for W3 Total Cache and WP, which is WordPress Fastest Cache. Both of them are really decent. Or you can go for Light Speed Cache, the one I use over here. So it's very cool. This is a cool option. They have a paid version too, but you will be okay with these 2. So that's it, guys. That's the whole thing for Thrive Theme Builder. We are done with it, and after that, the only thing we need to do is just, if you want to just change a little bit here and there for your post, you can simply go to your dashboard, and after that go to posts, and after that go to, so this is the post I have. I can view this post, and here I have everything that I just designed in front of you. So if you remember, I have this logo here. I already changed these two header for my website. So I need to delete these two, or I add more. I have a call to action. It's not a call to action. So this is what actually makes it more important than the rest of the menu. So latest program is my latest product. So if they click on that, they will get into the sales page. And this is the color I've chosen. And this is my widget. So the way I did it was by Thrive Architect, guys. That's why I said you need to have Thrive Architect as well in order to be actually more flexible in order to edit your pages or your posts. And I can actually do that right now. I have edit with Thrive Architect or Thrive Theme Builder. So I'm going to edit it with Thrive Architect, and I'm going to show you quickly how you can edit your post so fast and so simple. So after we are done, and you can also use Thrive Theme Builder at the same time you're using Thrive Architect. There is no problem with that. But right now I've chosen Thrive Architect to edit my post, which is a very simple post. So here I have the main option, edit WordPress content. If you click on that, it will take you to the WordPress content, the classic editor that you just simply edit your post. That's it, nothing special with it. But if you want to change anything for your header and upper, you need to just click on them. Just click on them and it will take you to, so it will take you to, yeah, you need to click on this. It will take you to Thrive Theme Builder, and here you can add a ton of things. You can add widgets, you can add content boxes, you can add opt-in forms, you can delete the stuff if you don't want. I personally deleted a lot of things above the footer because I didn't need an opt-in form 5 times. I already had it in the text, so I don't need it anymore. Here I added this widget here. It's a content box. By clicking on add elements here, we have so many options here that you can add it on your website or as a widget or in your contents. Like we have about the offer that I added here. It's myself, and we have offer name, we have post tags, post meta, we have text, image, button, everything you can, whatever you can, just go for it. Countdown timer, you can add it on the sidebar, you can add it as a widget, you can add style list, lead generation, progress bar, and so many other options by using Thrive Architect. And here it's a content box. It's my image here. I can change the maximum width, I can maximum height, the way I want. And here I have a text about myself, and again here I have a button. The latest program, the same as I do have here. As I said, guys, you're super flexible for this plugin, and you can be way more creative than me. You can get way more creative than me. You're not limited to anything, but just play around with it. Try to actually get more creative, because I personally haven't finished the whole website. I just started myself, believe it or not, yesterday using Thrive Theme Builder, and I decided to just create a video for you to show you how you can simply start using Thrive Theme Builder by just a few simple clicks, because it's just a drag and drop process, and you don't have to do anything. It's just drag and drop by adding elements here, different elements all around your website. You're not limited to anything like the regular WordPress themes, because you need to go to setting, you need to go to theme, appearance, customize, and then after that you can just simply add a new menu, or or you can change your footer. But in this section, for Thrive Theme Builder, you are super focused on what you want to do, and you can do everything on one page. So this is what I like about Theme Builder. It also saves me a lot of time and energy at the same time, and I'm pretty sure that I can get better at it. So because there are a lot of things that I can actually play around to see what they provide more. But this is what it is for the whole Thrive theme builder. So again, if you want to get access to Thrive themes plugins, click on the link below in the description and you can get access to the sales page. But my recommendation would be the monthly membership, because you will be able to get access to all the plugins at the same time, or you can just go for Thrive Architect or Thrive Theme Builder individually. It's totally up to you. So if you have any question, guys, please feel free to ask me by leaving your comment below this video. And if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. Give me a thumbs up and turn on the notification bell so next time if I upload a video, you'll get notified. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.